Is the car for you?
No, it's for my mother.
Yes, it's for me.
For you, ma'am? Well, what about this blue car here? It's small and it's easy to park.
Yes, Mom, it's perfect for you.
But it's very slow, and it's ugly.
It's an electric car, ma'am. Very eco-friendly. They're good cars.
I prefer this red car.
But Mom, it's a sports car. It's very fast. And it's very expensive.
Yes, but it's my money. It's a beautiful car, and I love it. How much is it?
Come with me, ma'am.
Mom!